Good morning student. Today we are going to start our lesson 18 of English 2. As in our class time, offline classes, we have completed our lesson 17 which was the poem, and today we are going to start our lesson 18 which is Madhu writes a letter. As you know that how to write a letter, if you want to convey your message, if you want to ask, if you want to say something, now we can send an email, either message on the WhatsApp, but what we do, we should know about the format of the letter, how to write and how to express the love in your letter. So today we are going to start our chapter of which is Madhu writes a letter. In this chapter we will study about a boy whose name is Madhu, and he is going to write a letter to his uncle. Okay, so please open your book, page number 99, and pay attention. Madhu was very happy. His sister Nishtha wanted to know the reason. It is Martin's birthday today, Madhu said happily. So while starting only, Madhu was very happy. Why? And her sister name is Nishtha. She was very curious to know the reason why Madhu was happy. And when Nishtha asked, Madhu replied that it was Martin's birthday. Martin, your best friend, will you take me with you? Nishtha asked eagerly. So just after hearing this, Nishtha asked, oh, Martin is your best friend. Acha, okay. Again she asked whether you will take me to his birthday party. Yes, of course. Let us buy some beautiful gift for him. So what Madhu told? Madhu said that yes, we can go and we have to purchase a wonderful gift for Madhu also. Madhu and Nishtha bought a gift. They packed the gift, and after they went to the market, they bought a gift and they packed the gift. Martin's house was in the same colony, and in which colony Madhu was living, same colony Martin was also living. They went to his house at 6 o'clock, and at 6 o'clock they went to Martin's house for the birthday party. Martin's mother gave everyone sweet and ice cream. When all the children came, so Martin's mother, she offered all the children sweets and ice cream. Martin had arranged some games for his friend, and what was surprise, Martin has arranged some games for his friends. Nishtha sang a song and also won a prize in the game. Nishtha, who was Nishtha? Yes, Nishtha was Madhu's sister. She got a prize. Why? She won a prize. Why? Because she sang a beautiful song. All the children had a lot of fun, and all the children, they enjoyed a lot in Martin's birthday. Madhu and Nishtha came back home happily. After the program's over, after the birthday celebration over, Madhu and Nishtha again they came back to their home happily. Madhu also wanted to celebrate his birthday grandly. After seeing Martin's birthday, Madhu was very eagerly to celebrate his birthday in a grand way. His birthday was on next Sunday, and coming Sunday only his birthday was. He decided to invite all his dears and nears on his birthday. So he started to make a beautiful plan for his coming birthday. He planned to invite all his friends, relatives, dear and near ones for his birthday party. He sat at his table and wrote. And what he started to do? He sat on his table and he started to write a letter to his uncle. Just to see, C1427. This is the format. What is the format of the letter? Thing is what? Here starting to the left hand side, we used to write our address. How he has written. C1427 Telephone Colony, Bangalore, 1st March. Okay. Date is mentioned 1st March. Why? Because Madhu, when he sat to wrote a letter, that day was 1st March. So we supposed to mention the same day, which day you are sitting and writing the letter. After love one, we used to write dear. So he wrote, dear uncle, I hope you remember that my birthday falls on Sunday next. So he is just making him remind in the letter that I hope you are remembering that my coming Sunday my birthday is going to be. I have invited all my friends. Please come and bless me on the occasion. Also bring Auntie, Tinku, Rinku. Pay my respect to Auntie, waiting for you, your love, Madhu. So what Madhu has written? That I invited all my friends, and what was his wish? His wish was that his uncle, his auntie and his nephews, Miss Tinky and Rinku, they also come to his birthday party. And last he wrote, pay my respect to auntie, waiting for you, your love, Madhur. So this is the way, this is the chapter, this is the way how Madhur expressed his feeling, his own feeling, his wish that on his birthday, especially his uncle and aunt and their nephews, they should come. So how he wrote the letter, this is also format. You should learn how to write a letter. It will be helpful in your grammar also. And chapter 18, question answers and everything I will provide you in a PDF. So as a homework, you have to learn the poem of lesson 17, 8 line, and as well as you have to read this chapter.